Tahiti. One more score! One more score! Welcome back, guys, to J-Dog Films.
Okay.
Shoot him, guys. What the?
Got him. Got him.
You're good, you're good. I'm watching. Go, go, go. Some of them walked up. Oh! Oh!
You went.
Hi.
I'm gonna just find somewhere close up anyway.
Jordan, why too far?
Alright, guys, I apologize about this today, but I believe it's your role.
Someone DoorDash pizza.
Whoever had their pizza delivered, it's here.
Where the bus is, they're in that window.
I'm gonna hear an earful of Chase here in a minute. Chase, baby, I'm sorry.
Yeah, no, you're fucking.
My bad, kid.
Forget about it, cuz.
Forget about kid. You alright?
Yeah, just had a fucking breath.
Oh, fuck you. I'll shoot you in the fucking leg. Get out of here. Chase is next to me being an ass. What, you think I'm gonna peek because you're peeking right now? Hell no.
Yeah, 3 points of contact, bro.
So I'm a smooth operator, you know?
Oh.
He's going.
He's walking him down. Are we for real, bro?
Look where these goobers at?
Or I think right next to us that little.
Okay.
Oh my god, he's look Max, look. Fuck! Alright. Oh, y'all got it.
Glaring! Oh, don't shoot! Shit. Fuck.
Hit me in the nuts, dude. Ow.
Not the nuts.
Why?
May I?
Yeah, keep faulting. No. It's gonna break it.
I mean, I can Venmo you.
I don't have Venmo. I'm only 14.
What?
You better go to the.
Hello? Hello? I have a message for you.
I'm about to say that.
Man, I'm hungry.
Man, I didn't ask.
Wow, look at that view right there. Wow.
Yeah!
Dude, I just got an 8-man.
Call that UAV in.
Nah, bro, Harry's incoming.
What the fuck?
I just couldn't believe my ears. Good enough.
Fucking.
It's the guy from COD.
The guy from God.
It's the guy from COD.
They'll fucking hear you.
Yes.
That's great.
Boo. Man, I am not ready.
Fuck, that's cool. I forgot about that.
Shit. Well, fucking go. Oh. Fuck. Whatever. Oh shit.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Where art thou, radio?
Girl with this little kid right here.
What are you doing?
Are you out?
No, I was just telling my friend that he was here.
Okay. No. No. Cancel that one.
Tango spot. Walk them down. Over and out.
Walk him down.
I know there's some expensive stuff in some of the back, so everyone ready for that? Bruh.
What?
Bro, we dead ass.
What?
I was gonna ask you, how do I set up 2 monitors?
Isn't that what YouTube's for?
Bro, it's not showing up.
Ow, motherfucker!
Oh, shut the way it was dry.
You literally just shot me!
Did I?
Yes!
That was mean.
Who's going in first?
You guys?
You should.
What? No, bruh.
I'm going in. You have the smallest gun.
No, I'm bad though. I'm bad.
Okay.
I mean, we're all bad, but I'm happy to go in.
Wow,
That's gonna look right in the eyes.